Hi team, this is George. Can you believe we are in week 6? It is hard for me to believe that. So let's take a look at what we're going to do. So we're going to have a discussion on adulthood priority shifts. We all know how priorities shift as we start entering into adulthood. And then Monday, your advancing development paper part 2 is due. And for a quick overview, just click, if you're not certain where to go, you click that. And then when that comes up, go ahead and click Advancing Development paper overview right there. And then that gives you this here. And you can collect Advancing Development paper instructions right here. And that's what's going to open up in a new tab and give you everything that you need right there. So it's the same scenario. So keep the same person in mind. So if you chose Maria, Isabel, or Carlos, you're going to be writing from their perspective as well. So give a quick introduction. Let's say if you chose Maria, you're going to give a quick introduction talking about Maria and potential challenges. So you're going to say Maria faces multiple challenges in the four different developmental areas. Then just kind of expand just a little bit. Just give a quick overview, if you would, just about a paragraph long. Then start with a heading and start with physical. In that, you're going to give 2 potential challenges for the physical, and in each one, you're going to give recommendations to help overcome or improve the potential challenge. And remember, so if you're writing about Maria, those challenges are for Maria. So you're going to go through that through each of the 4 developmental areas, and then at the end of the paper, after those areas are written about, so you're going to have a heading physical, heading social emotional, heading cognitive, heading spiritual, moral. Then after that is done, then you're going to describe how the challenges were different from the other folks that you did not write about. So that's Isabel and Carlos. So if you wrote about Maria, you're going to write about how it's different than Isabel and Carlos, how they might face those challenges. If you were writing about Isabel, you're going to write about at the end, then you're going to write about how Maria and Carlos will face those challenges differently. They'll be different because they're in different developmental areas. So I hope that helps, and I look forward to reading everyone's project.